It's critical during the swimming season to maintain your sand filter by cleaning it. Together, we'll go through the steps to perform what we call the backwash. First, when should you do a backwash? The pressure gauge will give you the right indication. When the pressure on the gauge exceeds your natural pressure by 5 to 10 psi, it's time to do a backwash. Make sure everything is installed correctly before starting. What I'm holding in my hand is an adapter. At home, it's already fixed to your filter outlet. This is where you'll need to connect your backwash hose. If this is your first time using the backwash hose, unwind it to its full length before use and insert your garden hose to open up the tube and unstick it. This will prevent the backwash hose from bursting from the pool water pressure. Once this is done, you can fix it with this metallic collar. When everything's in place, ensure that you shut off the pump before you change the position of the filter handle. When the motor is off, move the handle from the filtration to the backwash position. Start the pump and let it run for about 2 minutes for a good cleaning. When done, move the filter handle to the rinse position. Let the pump run for about a minute, half the time it will take to do the backwash. After the rinsing is done, move the filter handle back to the filtration mode. At this time, it will be a good idea to monitor the pressure on the gauge. Take the pressure gauge reading. This is your new natural pressure. Next time the gauge pointer exceeds the natural pressure from 5 to 10 psi, it will be time to do another backwash.